So when you check in for LASIK, the first thing you're going to see is a beautiful facility with a lot of smiling people greeting you. And our refractive surgery staff are super kind people. Most of them have had LASIK themselves. Oftentimes people's spouses or partners come for appointments or actually watch the surgery. But when you first show up, it's all about the preoperative examination. So a lot of testing and then a comprehensive evaluation and then a meeting with either Dr. Welling or myself to go over if you're an appropriate candidate and what the surgical process would be. That's the preoperative appointment. On the day of the surgery, you can expect to be greeted by people that you're familiar with, number one. And then our LASIK suite has a viewing area, and I always say it's a great space for your partner to be able, or family to be able to cheer you on while you're having the surgery. The surgery usually takes about 15 minutes or so. There'll be someone explaining the procedure to them while you're having it. Many people just head on home and take a nap after their LASIK surgery and are seen the next day. Many people drive themselves to that appointment because the vision is already starting to improve quite quickly.